Always listen to good things. Always listen to good sound. Always play good sound. Never ever listen to bad sound. Never ever play bad sound. Always let good sound comes out from your mouth. I mean good talk. I mean good music. I mean good advice. Never ever say bad word. Never ever say bad thing. I mean cursing people out. I mean cursing someone out. Never ever do that. Never say bad word to the public. Never ever say bad word to social media. I mean a word that can cause trouble among the people. A word that can